when you create a new project inside of HitFilm, you can see the default layout format if it is your first time creating the project and if it is your first time accessing a HitFilm project. But the project panel that you see right here is actually quite flexible. So what you can do is you can go around in between any two panels and click and drag around to change out the shape, as you can see right here. You can do this vertically and horizontally, as you can see right here. You can see that there are different tabs over here that you can click and access. But what you can also do is you can click and drag this around, and then let's say, for example, add the tab onto another panel right here. Or what you can do is you can click and drag this, and you can see these four areas right here. You can click and drag, let's say, for example, the history panel over here and keep it on the right hand side right here. Similarly, you can click and drag this out, keep it on the left side over here, and so forth. You can go around, keep it on the top side, and then arrange out the panel as you like. You can go around, rearrange this, you can go around and rearrange this, and so forth, just like that. And that is how you can go around and reconstruct out the panels. You can also go around onto Windows right here and enable different panels right here, like the track panel. And you can click on it again to disable it, as you can see. You can click and drag this around and keep the panels as you like. You can go around and click on the hamburger icon or the three-line icon right here and close the panel as well. You can also go around over here and then float the panel so that the panel is separate. So if you have multiple monitors and you want to keep this, let's say, for example, in another monitor, you can simply drag it out as well. So that is what you have. So if you were to click on that button right there, so let me just go around, float the panel. If you were to click on this, then what happens is that that panel is attached over here onto the workspace just like this. And we made some changes over here on the panels, as you can see. And because of this, it's not in its original state anymore. And if you want it in the original state, you can simply go around onto Windows, then onto Workspace right here, and then reset out the workspace, and then you get to the default workspace with the panels in its original position, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and reconstruct out panels inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.